Welcome back to our channel. So last time we talked about a naked bike. So as I promised, we have here a sports bike. A big bike that is in a category of a sports bike. And not just a ordinary sports bike. Isa to sa mga pinapangarap na sports bike nating lahat, or at least mostly. So isa to sa mga pinakasikat din na sports bike. Let's all welcome the Yamaha YZF R6. First reason or unang dahilan bakit gustong-gusto natin ang YZF R6 is because of it's a sports bike. Pag sinabing sports bike, siyempre yan yung may mga flaring. And of course, yung power and yung engine niya. At least para sa akin. Unang-una, yung engine niya is an inline 4. Pag sinabing inline 4, yan yung mga screamer or yung mapinong tunog. Which is gustong-gusto ko. Yung parang F1 siya na race car. And based on research, this Yamaha YZF R6 or R6 has 135 HP. Second reason na maraming bumibili or maraming nangangarap ng Yamaha R6 is well-tested na yung brand, yung engine. This has been produced or na manufactured since 1999 till 2020. Yes, stop production na siya. Kaya lalo siyang pinagkakaguluhan dahil collector item na siya. Yes, nakakabili pa rin ng mga model like 2021, 2022, but to confirm, these are not street legal anymore. Yung mga mabibili nyo na stock pa sa kasa. Pag-usapan natin yung kanyang specs or specification ng Yamaha R6. So this has a 599cc engine with the red line of 6,000 RPM. Ganun siya ka-screamer. 6,000 RPM. This also has a 6-speed transmission, of course, manual. Tank capacity na 17 liters. Analog digital display. Para sa akin, mas okay yung ganyan sa mga sports bike, lalo na kung gusto mong patagalin sa'yo. Kasi wala kang maraming tech or technology na kailangang i-maintain. So, napaka-basic ng kanyang dashboard or yung pinaka-handlebar niya. Sa left side, we have the corner lights, the high beam and low beam, yung busina. Sa right side naman, yung kanyang kill switch and starter lang. It also has an adjustable Öhlins front suspension, upside down fork of course. May weight na 188 kg at top speed based on research na 256 or more kilometer per hour. Again, napakabilis na nun for a middleweight class or 600cc. Kasi mostly yung mga 1000cc pag nakasetup na nagta-top speed ng 299 kph. Again, meron siyang Öhlins suspension at front. So, upside down fork which helps with the performance or yung kanyang handling. Yan. So, pagdating sa brakes, meron tong dual disc brakes sa harap with 4-pot piston caliper. Pag sinabing 4-pot, so 4 yung kanyang piston per caliper. So, dahil dual disc brake siya. Front tires, we have 120, 70, 17 yung size niya. Wala nga palang ABS to, both front and rear ng disc brake. So magbe-base talaga to sa rider skills, which is good na dapat alam naman talaga natin. So ganyan kakapal yung rear tire niya na merong size na 190/50 R17. So meron pala siyang single pot piston na Nissin caliper na stock yan ng Yamaha. Most Yamaha bikes or sports bikes is using Nissin caliper, which is made in Japan. Nakikita rin natin yung Nissin na yan sa mga Honda cars nila. Meron nga pala tong Pirelli Diablo Rosa na tires. Sa aesthetics or yung pinaka look ng motor, wala naman major changes. Meron lang siya mga GB Racing na frame or engine protection, frame slider. Aside from that, yung kanyang tail tidy na of course nagpadagdag ng forma ng motor. So kung gusto nyo ng more content about the Yamaha R6, please let me know sa comment below so that we can tignan natin kung ano yung mga comments nyo at ano yung gusto nyo makita. Again, this is just a simple walk around ng Yamaha R6. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe